Hello developers. In this video we will learn about the concept of destructuring in JavaScript. So destructuring is a way to assign elements of an array and objects into individual variables for quick access so that we can quickly access the elements of arrays and objects. Okay. So there are two types of destructuring in JavaScript. One is array destructuring and other one is object destructuring. So firstly we will understand the array destructuring. So it allows to extract values from an array and assign them to variables for quick access. So we will take this with an example. So consider an array of elements. So here 1, 2 is an array with having two elements 1 and 2. So this is the destructuring syntax. This one. Syntax is this one. This is the destructuring syntax. Okay. So here A will pull 1 in it and B will pull 2 in it. Okay. So A will hold A and B will hold 2. So we will print it and we'll see A and B. So it will print 2. It will print 1. We will check it in the console. Here output is 1 and 2. This is the concept of array destructuring. So it is useful for cases when we need some items from an array and if you want to quickly access them, like if you want to quickly access the second element, we will directly console B. So here we haven't manually writing the multiple assignments, only we did the array destructuring for the quick access. Similarly, there is concept of object destructuring. So object destructuring allows to extract properties from an object and assign them to variables for quick access. We will see it with some basic example. Const So consider an object with two properties, name and age. Name, let's say name is Kashish. Age is, say it 30. Okay. So using destructuring, we can create two variables, name and age, and we can assign the corresponding values from the object. So now name will hold Kashish and age will hold 30. We can directly print name and age. Name and age. Okay. We will print the values in console. So why we use object destructuring? For quickly the properties from an object without the multiple lines of code. So here it is printing as Kashish and 30. So this is the concept of destructuring in JavaScript.